Hi everyone! In this tutorial I want to show you how to use the MID function. And I also prepared one interesting case that can be very useful for you. It is very easy. So let's start from the MID function. For example, sometimes it happens that you have the data inside of the cell and you want to say, basing on the position, on the number position, report me specific value. We write equal MID. Then we select the cell, in this case G2. Then we write the number from which will be considered our value 5. What I mean under 5? Under 5 I mean B1, O2, X3 minus 4 and 0, 5. Our data will be considered from 0. Then I say how many values should be reported. Let's write 1. Okay. So in our case, from the 5th position, just the first value will be considered. If we write here 2, how many values will be considered? 2. If we write 3, 3 values will be considered. Very easy, nothing to say. Talking about my case. My case is very interesting because I have a different type of box from 0.22 to 0.21 and so on. And I say, if the value is under 23 or equal, then report me the box 123. If higher, between 24 and 69, then report me box 2469, and so on. I wrote MID function. I choose the cell. I choose the data which should be considered, and I also choose how many numbers should be considered. In this case 3, 0, 22. That is equal or lower. If it's equal or lower, in our case it's 22, that is lower than 23, then report me box 123. If our data is 0.24, in this case the same value, then report me box 2469. And if the box 71, for example, is higher than box 2469 and 123, then report me box 7113. That's all. Just subscribe if you have the questions. I am pleased to answer on them.